Are you having problems putting on thick and bold wing liner on your hooded eyes? You want it to look like this, but somehow it always turns out to look like this. So I'm here to help you out. Hi everyone, my name is Kelly. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw big and bold wing eyeliner on my Asian hooded eyes. If you have hooded eyes like mine, you already know that it's always troublesome when drawing eyeliner, thick or thin. I already did a video on how to draw perfect thin wing liner and told you to stay away from the hood, but today we're gonna go big and cross over that line. It's a bit tricky, but don't worry, just follow my steps. First and most important step is prepping your eyes. I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour Extend Eye Base and applying it with my finger. This helps your eye makeup to last longer. You can also use concealer if you have discoloration on your lids. Then I set it with the translucent loose setting powder from Mercier, or you can set it with an eyeshadow that has a similar color to your skin tone. Next to the eyeliner, you can use anything you feel comfortable with and can give you the best result. For beginners, I always recommend using gel liner with a flat angle brush. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Eyestudio Lasting Drama Gel Liner, which is the best drugstore gel liner in my opinion, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Brush number 14. I just take enough product, warm it up and load it on the brush and build up slowly. And I just did my eyeshadow off camera, so this video won't be lengthy. Now I put the mirror at my eye level, and the key to perfect this liner is to keep our eyes open and looking straight to the mirror the whole time we draw the liner. I put the brush at my outer corner to create a straight line, extending my lower lash line and create a flick, then extend it a little bit to the length I like. And my tip for you is do not make the flick higher than the top of your eye. It's just not flattering. Remember to always step back and check if you like the position of the flick or not. You can fix it now before moving further. Next, I draw a straight line across from the end of the flick to my upper lash line and over the hood. When I look down, it will look like this. Next, I fill in the liner with my eyes open and look straight to the mirror. Remember to just fill in the gap. Don't close your eyes and fix the shape of the liner. We need to keep the shape the way it is. Then I raise my eyebrow slightly to connect the liner to my upper lash line, and I drag it a little bit to the pupil so the liner will look more cohesive, and then extend the wing a bit. I like to create the wing first, as it's easier to fix if something goes wrong. I just remove and redo only the wing, not the whole liner. As I prefer a sharper liner, I use the first pen eyeliner from Merzy to go over the wing and make it more defined. This pen has an ultra thin and flexible brush tip that provides a super precise application. Of course, I do it when my eyes look straight to the mirror, not look down. Next, I draw the liner up to my inner corner. If your eyelid is shaking while doing this and it makes your liner look bumpy, try to use your finger to grab the lashes so the lid is taut and steady, then you can draw a smooth liner. I usually skip this part because with hooded eyes, we don't have a lot of lid space. We want to see it even just a little bit. Before bold and thick wing liner, I will wear falsies, and this step helps to cover any gap between my lash line and the falsies. We just draw the bold and thick wing, not the whole liner, so remember to keep it really thin and close to the lash line so it doesn't take a lot of lid space. Next step is tie lining. Tie lining helps your lashes look fuller and thicker. especially when wearing falsies. It will look odd when you see any gaps between your real and false lashes. You can use the same gel liner to highlight, but I recommend a waterproof eyeliner if you have watery eyes. I'm using the NYX Slide pencil eyeliner. I put it on my upper waterline and blend in my lash line too. If you cannot see your waterline, use the handle of the brush to help lift your lid up so you can apply the liner easier. So one side is done, let's move to the other side and repeat the whole thing. Make sure to check from far away to see if the liners are at the same angle or direction on both sides. The shape of the liners can be different on both eyes when we look down because our eyes are not symmetrical. Don't worry about that, just make sure that they are at the same angle and thickness when we look straight. Go slow and build up gradually. If you make a mistake, just fix it with some makeup remover or concealer. If you're a beginner, don't give up. If you cannot do it the first time, keep practicing and remember to do it before eyeshadow so you don't mess up the eye makeup if you make a mistake. And don't forget to wash your brush frequently and disinfect your liner pencil after every use. Then sharpen it so it's ready to use the next time. It will help you stay away from eye infections. After that, I curl my lashes and put on mascara using the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. Everyone has different eye shapes and preferences, so you need to find out what looks good on you through trial and error. And then I put on the falsies. For hooded eyes with limited lid space, we should choose something wispy so we can still see the eyeshadow peek through the lashes. I hope you guys find this video helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye!